In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App without using a traditional bank account. It's a quick and simple process, so just follow along carefully. First, it's important to understand that the only way to move money between Venmo and Cash App without a separate bank account is by linking the direct deposit account and routing numbers from Cash App to Venmo. There isn't a built-in direct transfer option between the two apps. Step 1. Open the latest version of the Venmo app. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access the menu. From there, go into Settings, then tap on Payment Methods. Inside Payment Methods, select Add a Bank or Card. Choose the option to add a bank. When prompted to verify your bank instantly, select Verify Bank manually instead. This is important because you'll be entering account details manually. Now, you'll need the account and routing numbers from Cash App. So switch over to the Cash App. Go to the Banking or Money tab, then tap on Direct Deposit. Here, you'll see your Cash App account number and routing number. Copy those details and return to Venmo. Paste the Cash App account number and routing number into the required fields in Venmo to link it as a bank account. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the verification process. Once the Cash App account is successfully linked in Venmo, go back to your Venmo home screen. Tap on your profile, then select Manage Balance, and choose Transfer to Bank. Select the bank account you just added, which is your Cash App account. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm. After the transfer is completed, the funds will move into your Cash App balance. From there, you can use the money however you'd like within Cash App. And that's how you transfer money from Venmo to Cash App without using a traditional bank account. If this guide helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thanks for watching.